Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today we are doing a couple drawings. One of the drawings is the background designs that will be released today in the Glassine Bag mini album, the printable mini album. We're going to be doing that drawing, and then we're also going to be doing the stopper topper, the custom stopper topper drawing. We're going to be doing that one as well. And later on today, the Misty Rose is on Instagram. I'm going to announce the winner of the Misty Rose, and then the Santa Baby Glassine Bag mini album and workbook are on Facebook, on my Facebook group, and I'll be announcing that winner later on today as well. So check back later today. It's probably going to be this evening for that, because I have several doctor's appointments today, and one of them is not mine, but it's an ultrasound, and I'm super excited. So all you had to do to enter into this giveaway is a month ago, I made a video where we released some background designs, and all you had to do is leave a comment and vote for your two favorite that you would like to see released next. And those two winning background designs are note paper and wood. So these are the two that got the most votes. Note paper. So this is what the Etsy listing looks like. So it's note paper and wood. Okay, so these two are the winning backgrounds. And before I actually do the drawing itself, I wanted to remind you guys that if you were to buy the note paper background design in the printable Glassine Bag mini album, you get a free set of plain templates, and you also get a free set of coffee stain templates. So you get 3 sets in one. These two are free with purchase. You cannot get the background design separate. There is no additional charge for these extra. I get asked that on a daily basis. There is no additional charge. So the plain and the coffee stained in this album, the plain and the coffee stained and the workbook, the guide, all are free with your choice of background design. So if you wanted the wood background design, then you get a full set of wood, full set of plain, and a full set of coffee stain. Also, I was asked, on page number 4, there is a Glassine bag that you can print out, and it's coffee stained. It looks like this, but it looks more like a real Glassine bag, like how you would normally put one together or take one apart or whatever. But page 5 is the more structured version of a Glassine bag. So the background design does print onto page 5, but it does not print on page 4. I've been getting asked that quite a bit. So, okay, so now I'm going to pick 2 winners, and you'll get to choose between which background design you would like, whether it be no paper or wood. And I've already pulled up the, random YouTube comment picker, and I've already got the video URL, and it's pulled up the comments, and it's filtered duplicate comments, so if the same person left more than one comment, it filtered that out. So all I have to do is press start, and we'll get our first winner. That would be Debbie Gilbert. Congratulations, Debbie. Oh, she picked vintage and distressed stripe, but I love them all. There is an email down below in the description box that's only for giveaway winners, period. I will not answer any other emails, but it will be down in the description box below. You just contact me through there, and we'll go from there for you to get your printable templates. Last time it worked out really well, where the winners actually went and purchased them on Etsy, and then I gave them a full refund. That way they had their templates all the time. As long as they have an Etsy account, they have their set of templates. So that's good. I like that idea. So we're going to keep doing that. But anyway, so that information will be down below. So now I can pick another winner, and I'm going to hit pick another winner, and then I'm going to hit start. And that is Debbie Bowman. Well, Debbie, today's Debbie's lucky day. Vote for the Harley script and wood background. Love all your templates. Same for you, Debbie. You just contact me through that email down below. Only the 2 winners, or the 3, because we're getting ready to do a stopper topper, contact me through that email. Okay, but before we move on to the stopper topper, the next background design drawing is going to be August 1st. So what you need to do is you need to leave a comment down below this video, and you need to choose 2 backgrounds for the next to be released. There's only 4 left. So we've got Watermark, we've got Distress Stripes, Harley Script, and Vintage. Those are the only ones left. So you vote for 2 of the 4, and we'll release 2 more next month. So be sure to do that. And I've also got a coupon code for you guys, and it's good from, let's see, today is July 2nd. It's good today after this video goes up until July 6th, I think. Yeah, till July 6th. It's Glassine 25. It's 25% off of everything in my shop with a $10 minimum purchase. I will have all of that information down below in the description box as well, or the show more section. All of this will be down below, but that is the coupon code, and it's good for everything in my shop, 25% off, a $10 minimum purchase. Okay. So now let's do the stopper topper. Okay, so this is a drawing for a custom stopper topper, not this stopper topper, but an actual custom stopper topper. So I'm going to pick, all you had to do was, about a week ago, I put a video up. It was called 3 giveaways or something like that. It might have been more than a week. And you just had to leave a comment below that video in order to be entered in to win the stopper topper. And what we'll do is you'll contact me through the special email down below, and then I will get you in contact with the person that will do your custom stopper topper for you. Michelle. Michelle is who, I don't know why I called her the person. Michelle, I'll get you in contact with Michelle. So I had to go get the URL for that video, and I've pulled up the comments. Okay, so let's see who gets the custom stopper topper. Judy Williams. I love the stopper toppers. Would love to win one. Thank you for sharing these items with your admirers. That's very sweet. Okay, Judy, all you have to do is contact me down below via that email. All of the winners, you have 1 week. Let's see. Let me look back at my calendar. You have until July 9th to contact me to claim your prizes. So all 3 winners, including the stopper topper winner, contact me via that email down below, and we will get the ball rolling. Okay, so don't forget to leave a comment down below this video to vote for your next background design: Watermark, Distress Stripe, Harley Script, and Vintage. And use the Glassine 25 at 25% off of everything in my shop for a few days. And don't forget to check Instagram and Facebook later on today for the winners of the other albums. So that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you next time. Bye.